Hey everyone, this is Mazen Salah. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. The first one is how to choose the right template from Visual Studio Templates in order to create an ASP.NET project. The second thing I'm going to explain in this video is how to run an existing ASP.NET project and how to overcome the problem of a project that refuses to run. With that being said, let's start. After you open Visual Studio, you will press on this button, create a new project. You can see that we have a lot of templates to choose from. You will search in the templates MVC, and from these search results you will choose this ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. This is the typical template that is used to create an ASP.NET project, and you can see that we will use C#. You will press on it and then click next. Here you will name the project anything you want. You will choose the path of the project, and after that you will name the solution and then next. Here you will choose the .NET version. By the time of recording this video, the latest version from .NET is 7. Then you will click create and the ASP.NET project will be created. And now after the project is created, we will click on this button which is used to run the project in the debug mode. I will click on it. The project will run without any problem, and it does. You can see that the project run on the browser without any problem. Actually, you have to learn ASP.NET MVC in order to know how to work with it. And now let's move into the next part of this video, which is how to run an existing ASP.NET project. The first thing you will do is that you will download and install Visual Studio in order to work with an ASP.NET project. You can run it with Visual Studio Code or something else, but the typical thing to do in order to run an ASP.NET project and to edit it, to work on it, is to download Visual Studio on your PC. And after you download and install Visual Studio on your PC, you'll go to the directory of the project. For example, I'll go to this project, and typically it will come in this file structure. You will search for this file, which is .sln. This is the name of the solution. You will double click on it and it will run in Visual Studio, as you can see. After you open the project, as usual, you will click on this button, run in debug mode. You can see that the project will run on the browser without any problem. This is the project and it is working fine. One last thing is that if you're facing a problem when running the project, you will have to make sure that the project doesn't have a database. And if it has a database, you can see from here to the Solution Explorer, you'll go to this model directory. You can see these are the model of the tables of the database. You will search here in the search bar Package Manager Console. You will open this tab, and here you will add a migration of the model in order to create the database on your SQL Server. And again, you will have to download and install SQL Server on your system. You'll have to use just two commands, which is add migration to convert the model classes into tables. Oh, sorry, I have to write add migration and then name the migration. So I'll name it just test. Okay, you'll press enter and then just use the command update database. Now this model will be converted into SQL tables in your SQL Server database. You can see that it says done, and now the database is created. I think you can run your project without facing the problem of the database. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have an idea for the next video, please type it in the comment section, and please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.